Wait, I've got 3 of these. I can balance this out a bit better. Why'd that not work? That is perfect. Alright. Demos. This is Viewfinder. I actually haven't clicked on anything yet. Font size we can keep normal. Override fonts. No, we're fine with that. Nice that it starts on accessibility. I remember I watch a guy who talks about accessibility, and he had mentioned this game specifically that he had seen at Summer Games Fest. Though I've been following the creator of this for probably about a year at this point, just from when this was like a concept that they had. 106 should be fine. Sure, we can have crosshair. Audio. You know, honestly, everything starting at 75 seems pretty decent. That's usually what I'd usually put things around that anyway. Maybe I'll just, that'll work. 65. Don't invert. Look sensitivity. Let's move that up. Interesting that it can only do certain increments with controller, but that's fine. That'll work. Turn VSync off. Field of view, I thought that was already in general. That's kind of weird. I usually put it at 110. Do I need it that? I might as well. That's weird that there's 2 different things for field of view. Not sure why that is. Shadow quality ultra. I'm gonna bump that down to high. Not that I think my computer will struggle with it, but it's also very hot in here, so I'm not gonna. Do you want to keep these changes? Keep. Interesting that did. Oh, okay. So now it does show the bumpers at the top. All right, let's start. This should be a very neat. The concept is so cool.
Great, we're in. Time to explore.
Wow. One-time sensitivity is actually pretty sensitive for what one times usually is. But I guess if it starts you lower, that would make sense. Coding pillows to watch the footage. Popcorn next. I'm afraid the butter flavor is a work in progress. Oh, is that what these are? You can build anything, yet you start to build a lab. There's no time like the present. Oh, wait, what? Okay, I can rewind time. What was that?
To
Interact.
think all the wonders of the world can be dabbled with as long as you build the right space. Whether Hiraya wants to admit it or not, Mirren is truly brilliant. Now, how do I get out of here?
A lot of pottery. Couple tea sets.
What is this place? I've never seen this much overgrowth before.
Ooh. Okay, so that does actually
It's beautiful. Is this what it used
take
to
my
look
movement
like?
back.
The world.
Alright, nothing's stopping me from walking off so far. Oh, okay. Alright.
Your vitals look good. I guess we know
Ooh, wait.
now that falling doesn't hurt.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
some
There
good
we
news
go.
at least.
Pick up
What's an
photo.
old photograph doing here?
And now, is this also gonna break? No? Okay.
Can you do something with it?
Now for the very cool part. Though I don't want to use it yet.
Hard to believe that we've all finally managed to come together. This assembled team of brilliant minds, here to bring to life my vision. Or rather, our vision. Now, to detail our first list of tasks, then I'll return to the party.
Where am I going with the picture, though? Let me see what's down here.
Couldn't resist trying it again, huh?
Nothing down here? Alright.
Let's try another way for now.
Is there any specific direction I should go? I don't think so. I don't think there's any real place. So let's see where we can get with this. Let's try that. Wait. Oh, didn't even place it.
Hang on.
This
did
is-
you just shift reality?
This is just insane that this is a thing. It's so cool.
A teleporter! Glad you made it in one piece.
That is so neat. Am I able to see where I was? I don't think so. It's not looking like it. A battery. Okay. Well, we've got a picture here.
Nako, you know I cannot stand these types of activities.
Hiraya, my love, please hold still.
What do I even do with my hands?
Just relax them and try to smile.
A portrait in a digital landscape. Tell me, is this technically traditional or digital?
Enough questions. Stop moving. Smile.
It's almost working. Looks like we need one more.
And rotate it. Let's do it like this. Oh, that's probably not good. Interesting. So this is a picture of the room that we were just in, because this is the same battery we just grabbed. Right? Or I guess because they were talking about this being a digital area, maybe that's a picture of the actual version of it.
Well done!
Okay.
Hey, there we go.
This is so neat. Oh, no. Remember to water your plants. What's over there that I may be missing? I assume this is what they want you to do.
Follow the gray brick road.
Oh, well, probably not good for that. Let's see if I can do this. Try and cheese it a bit. Oh, I can't do it to where it takes out the teleporter. Well, that doesn't really make it any better. Suppose the goal is to do this without taking out as much of the environment you're trying to get to, so you still have it all.
I need to understand. This place, beautiful as it is, carries so much weight. There is promise here. Promise of a future we can surely achieve. Even now, I'm striving to reach heights I never thought possible. All that I hope is that everything we do here continues to have meaning out there as well. For our sake, for Mirren's sake.
Oop. All right. So we're also collecting rubber ducks. We now know. Okay, so this is going to be a situation of not wanting to get rid of the teleporter. Mirren prefers cooler tones for her workspace. Find a better gradient. Oh, that's nice, being able to see it in like a regular text form. I know that tends to be a complaint, is that sometimes, like when games do notes of some sort, it's always like, sometimes the handwriting is just tough to read. Alright, so like we can't just do that, right? We've got to do it like this. Is it just a repeat one? Oh, that's cool. That is so cool. Hold on, what if I go up? So I guess that shows that you don't carry pictures through the teleporter. Can't just cheese a puzzle.
Close your eyes
I don't know if I should. Is this payback for making you mix new soil compositions all day?
Please, Hiraya, have you ever known me to be the vengeful sort?
Okay, sige. Oh, it's marvelous. Ang ganda.
See? I told you.
Ooh. Does this one have a? It does.
The colors. How long did this take you?
Now, that would be telling. Art should retain some mystery, no?
Let's try and keep the backgrounds mixing.
Ayun, I found it. Now this was a funny one. Not your usual style.
You could say I was stretching my creative muscles.
Ooh. That one was a bit loaded.